Welcome back everyone to this channel, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert the Python dictionary into a tensor. So for that TensorFlow provide a function called convert to tensor that you can use to convert the given dictionary into tensor. So let's start. So first let's create a dictionary, and before that let's import the TensorFlow into environment. So type here import TensorFlow as TF. Remove all of this, and then let's create a dictionary that we want to convert. So here I'm going to give a dictionary name as a city population, and this dictionary will store the some USA cities and its population. So let's say the first is the Los Angeles, and population is around 3748640. The second city is the Chicago, and its population is around 259,002. And the third is the Boston, and its population is 230,589. So here you can see here we have a dictionary. We created a dictionary which contains three elements Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston, and this is the name of the USA city, and the second is the numerical value, which is the population of each city. So to convert this dictionary into a tensor, you cannot directly pass this to convert dot to tensor. Let me show you. So let's execute this cell of code and see. So for example, let's type here print and then call tf dot convert to tensor, and now pass this dictionary city population to this convert to tensor function and see what happens. So as you can see here, it shows error attempt to convert a value like this. So you cannot directly pass a dictionary to this function to convert that dictionary into tensor. So instead, you can either pass the values or keys separately. So I mean here that so let's first pass the values. So to access the values of dictionaries, you can call a dot values on this dictionary, and again let's execute the cell and see. So again it's showing that attempt to convert a value dict value. So we can't convert this dict value into a tensor. So for that we will convert these dictionary values into a list, and then that list will be converted into a tensor. So wrap this whole thing like this into a list. So we're extracting all the values of a city population dictionary and then passing those values to list constructor, and this list constructor convert those value into list, and then all the list of values is passed to this function, this convert to tensor function. So let's execute this. Now you can see successfully converted the given values of the dictionary. You can see here this is the population of 3 cities. So this is how you can convert the dictionary's values into a tensor. So next, same way you can also convert the keys of the dictionaries into a tensor separately. So this is the problem. Let's see how to do that. So for that, tf dot convert to tensor, then list, and after that specify the dictionaries. So here you don't need to specify something like a dot keys. It automatically extract the keys, can convert those keys into a list, and then whole list is passed to this function convert to tensor. Now execute this line of code, and you can see it converted the given dictionary keys into a tensor. You can see here tf.tensor. The form of this data is tensor, and it contains the name of the city Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston. The only disadvantage of this method is that you can only convert the dictionaries, keys, and values separately. So if you are going to convert whole dictionary into a tensor, you will get the error as you saw. This is how you can use the tf.convert to tensor function of TensorFlow to convert the given dictionary into a tensor data in a tensor form. Let me again explain the code for you. So here we are extracting all the values of a dictionary and then passing extracted value to this list constructor, and this list constructor convert the type of values into a list and convert those values into a list, and then all the list of values is passed to this convert to tensor, and this convert the given values list of values into a tensor. You can see here in the output. And in the second code, we want to convert the keys into tensor. So we directly pass city population. It automatically convert keys of the dictionary into a list using this list constructor. And then all the list of keys are passed to this convert to tensor function. And this function convert the given list of keys into a tensor. You can see here in the output, here this is the name of the cities. So this is the concept of converting dictionary to tensor. So I hope that you understand how you can convert the given dictionary into a tensor. And at last, I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.